Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In YouTube, there is a very important website, fancytexttool.net. For example, in a YouTube video, if you want to comment on someone's video, then you need to have special text. You can write whatever you want to write there, but if you want to write a special comment, a comment which attract the attention of everyone, you need to search a special text for it. How you can search special text for it? Go to fancytexttool.net and write here. For example, if you want to comment on someone's video that it is very good video, write very fantastic. Search here. You can see there different kinds of text available here, very fantastic, and a number of texts available here. For example, I want to select it here. This is my text, I have selected it, and I want to paste some in someone's video's comment. For example, here this is a video, I want to place it here. So write it, click on its comment box and write here very fantastic. Comment is added. Here you can see that a very important and attractive comment is added here. Everyone can see this comment and everyone attention will be dragged to my comment very soon, because this is the special comment, and other comments are very, you can see that these are very normal comments, but this comment is a very special comment which is attracting the attention of everyone. So if you want to have if you want to pin some very important information, you need to copy some comment from this important website and write down in your comment box below, which will attract the attention of most of the peoples. Thank you so much for watching this video.